Hi, my name is Cassandra Phoenix, and the kind people at Jecca Blac asked if I'd like to make a video to show how I personally use their products as a 48-year-old trans woman who has yet to start any form of hormone treatment. I'll be using two products. There's the Correct and Conceal palette, which I've been using for many months now. Can't fault it. It hides all the blemishes, shadow of the beard and all that. Can't fault that at all. I'm also going to be experimenting with the Sculpt and Soften palette. Now, I haven't really used this that much before. I have a little bit, as you can see, but all I've been doing is a bit of experimenting with it. It comes with a booklet, nice little booklet, that talks you through how to do various techniques, softening techniques for different shapes of face, just to achieve that more feminine look. So I'm going to start now with applying some of the Correct colour, which is the pinky one. This will help, as I say, clear up all the shadowy stuff. I tend to dab it, just dab it around, because I have a lot of beard shadow, unfortunately. I'll eventually go when I start medication, but you can see it's making quite a difference already. You can use it in specific areas, or like what I tend to do, I tend to cover most of the face, because I got a lot of blemishes of age. There you go, see? That massive freckle on my cheek almost vanished. You can also use it for those bags under the eyes, hide the shadow lines. There's a bit on my nose because it's shiny, and then just wipe some around the top of my forehead, and you can also put a bit around the eyelids to help smooth everything out. This is pretty much my daily routine. Sorry about the little jump there in the video. My daughter decided to stick her head in, but that's the joys of trying to make videos during lockdown, when your family is bored and they're trying desperately for stuff to do. Now this colour Correct, it's been designed so that you can keep layering it as much as you need to without causing lots of clunky build-up. I was probably interrupted halfway through what I was saying about I've already moisturised and I've already primed. Now what I do, and I use the same brush for the concealer, I just find it helps blend it more with my skin. As you can see, doing something. You can see it's making such a difference already. What I would also do for my full day of work, when it's a normal work day and we're all normally travelling and we're not all locked into our homes going stir crazy, is I would also put some foundation on top before working away with the Sculpt and Soften palette. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to bother with all the foundation because I'm not going anywhere. So again, I just keep using the same brush I do. I know people like to swap brushes. I like to tend to keep the same brush, and it blends better with my skin if I do it that way. So I've taken some of the darker shade first. I'm starting with that I'm just picking out some of the cheek area. And again, same brush with me, the soften part, and build it up a bit. Bend it all in. There we go. This is how I do a very quick prep for the morning before I go to work. I'd also add lipstick, a bit of bronzer, eyeshadow, mascara, a little bit of eyeliner, and then I'm ready to go. I hope you enjoyed.